Answer this wrong and you are getting rejected. Not because you lack skills, but because your introduction already failed the interview. Most people don't realize this. Your tell me about yourself answer is not just an introduction, it's your first impression, and in many cases, your final one. And this is how most people answer name, experience, tools, and responsibilities. Everything sounds correct, but nothing sounds valuable. This sounds safe, but it's completely forgettable because you sound like every other candidate the interviewer has already seen. Interviewers are not listening to your story, they are silently evaluating three important things: how clearly you speak, how confident you sound, and what value you bring. They are not asking your story, they are judging your value, and most people fail right here. So instead of speaking randomly, your introduction should follow a simple structure: past, skills, impact, and direction. This changes everything. Now, let me show you how this answer should evolve at each level. Whether you are a fresher, whether you are a mid level QA engineer, whether you are at senior level, or whether you are going for leadership or management responsibility. So, if you are a fresher, don't try to sound experienced one. Focus on clarity and learning. Then you can start like this: I'm a recent graduate with a strong interest in software testing. I have learned fundamentals like test case design and defect reporting. I have also practiced testing on sample projects where I focused on identifying bugs and understanding the user impact. Currently, I'm working on improving my skills, especially in automation and real world testing scenarios. This is how you can frame your tell me about yourself question. And if you are at mid level, so if you have around 2 to 5 years of experience, execution is not enough anymore. You can practice your self introduction as I have around 3 years of experience in QA, primarily working on web applications. Over time, I have started focusing more on risk based testing, identifying critical areas and prioritizing them. I also collaborate closely with developers to resolve issues faster and improve testing efficiency. Recently, I have been working on improving my automation skills and exploring how AI can help in generating better test scenarios. This is how you can frame your answer. And now at senior level, you are expected to show ownership and decision making. You can start like this: I have around 7, 8, 9 years of experience in QA, mainly working on systems with multiple integrations. Currently, I handle end to end quality, including test strategy, execution tracking, and release readiness. I focus on risk prioritization, improving quality through root cause analysis, and working with stakeholders using data and metrics. Now, if we'll talk about leadership, so at leadership level, it's no longer about just testing, it's about driving quality at a scale. You can start like this: I have around 10 years, 11 years of experience in QA, where I lead teams and manage quality across complex systems. My focus is on defining strategy, ensuring execution across teams, and improving processes at a larger scale. I work closely with the stakeholders and use metrics to drive decisions and improve overall product quality. One more thing, this is really very important. If your introduction doesn't show that you are adapting to AI, you already look outdated. You don't need to be an expert, but even using AI for test ideas, debugging, or improving automation will make a big difference. So, same question, but completely different level of thinking. And this is exactly what interviewers are judging in the first minute. This is where most people go wrong. Courses teach tools, but interviews test thinking. That's the gap. So, if you want to build strong answers like this properly, not just for one question, but for complete interview preparation, I have structured everything step by step. Let's talk about the software testing mastery program. Real projects experience, one page cheat sheet after every lecture, and 30 structured videos for comprehensive learning. It gives you a clear roadmap to your software testing journey from foundations to expert. If you want the complete real testing roadmap with real projects breakdown, interview framework, templates, one page cheat sheet after every lecture, and structured roadmap of 30 videos. The course is live on Udemy as software testing mastery, ISTQB plus real world plus AIRI skill. The course link is on the screen and in the description as well. So, if you are serious about growing your career in testing in a structured and complete way, I'll see you inside the course.